When it comes to deciding between AC recharge or replacement, um, first thing to consider is the age of your unit. AC units typically last about 15 to 20 years. Uh, if yours is nearing that, replacement might be the wiser option financially in the long haul. One common pain point with AC units is diminished cooling efficiency. A recharge can temporarily fix this issue if the refrigerant levels are low, giving you a financial reprieve. Um, However, if the problem stems from other structural issues, replacement could be more effective. Here's a pro tip. If your AC unit needs frequent recharging, it's worth investigating any leaks. Typically, an AC recharge isn't a frequent maintenance task. Um, Detecting leaks early can save you a lot of headaches and unnecessary costs down the road. The cost difference is a hefty consideration. Recharging an AC can cost around $240 to $400, depending on refrigerant type. In contrast, a new central AC system can set you back around $3,000, $7,000. That's a significant investment decision to ponder. If you're environmentally conscious, consider this. Older AC units often use refrigerants that have phased out environmentally due to their ozone depleting effects. Replacing an old unit with a new, more energy efficient model can help you reduce your carbon footprint significantly. Look at the energy efficiency ratings, or SEER in seasonal energy efficiency ratio, when deciding. If a new unit boasts a higher SEER rating, it might save you in energy bills up to 20 to 40% over time. A detail often overlooked until the bill arrives, but consider your comfort too. If you find your home takes longer to cool, or temperatures vary wildly, that could be more than what a simple recharge can fix. An AC replacement might enhance overall comfort levels, improving airflow and stable temperatures. I can't stress enough how essential professional inspections are. It, it, you know, a trusted HVAC technician's advice can lead you more definitely toward the right decision. They can diagnose underlying issues that a recharge would only temporarily mask, steering you away from future costly repairs. Maintenance plays a big role too. Neglected AC could mislead you into thinking replacement is necessary when regular maintenance could prolong its life. Cleaning filters and coils and checking ducts can make a significant difference in unit efficiency. Pro tip, always check for rebates or financing options. Many utility companies, especially in Oregon, offer incentives for energy efficient appliance upgrades. And this can ease the financial burden significantly when opting to replace over simply recharging. And, lastly, think about the noise. Older units tend to get too loud, which can disrupt your home's peace. Newer model ACs are designed to operate quietly, enhancing not just comfort, but also your living environment's overall tranquility. Silence, as they say, can indeed be golden. Deciding between a recharge or a full replacement isn't a small decision. It involves weighing immediate costs against long-term benefits, comfort levels, and environmental impacts. Hopefully, these considerations help you make an informed choice that best suits your situation.